A blockchain wallet is a digital wallet that users can use to store and manage various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, and others. It is also possible to refer to the wallet service offered by Blockchain, a software company that Peter Smith and Nicholas Carey established. A blockchain wallet enables users to make transactions using cryptocurrencies and provides the option to convert those cryptocurrencies into the user's native currency. The best part about a blockchain wallet is that it is entirely free, meaning financial transactions are conducted without additional charges. A blockchain wallet can also be used to verify the balance of funds and make deposits or withdrawals. The company offers several digital wallets for users to choose from. In this article, we will help you create an account on the blockchain platform and fund your wallet to start sending or receiving cryptocurrencies immediately. Buying, selling, and trading Bitcoin is now more convenient than it has ever been, BTC. After you have Bitcoin in your possession, the next step is to ensure it is kept in a secure location. You may be curious about the best way to store your Bitcoin. Bitcoin, BTC, is a virtual currency that can be kept in an electronic wallet and retrieved using a private key to unlock the wallet. You are not required to do this directly. The outgoing transactions and wallet addresses are automatically generated by a wallet app, which uses a private key to sign the transactions. A Bitcoin wallet is a digital wallet that enables you to send and receive Bitcoin. You can think of it as an online wallet. This is analogous to carrying around a traditional wallet. Therefore, what are the benefits of using a Bitcoin wallet? Rather than storing actual currency, the wallet stores the cryptographic information required to access Bitcoin addresses and send transactions. This information is also required to view Bitcoin addresses. Some Bitcoin wallets allow for the storage of additional cryptocurrencies in addition to Bitcoin. The private key to your Bitcoin wallet is stored on the device that also contains your wallet, but the coins are not stored there. Your coins are stored on the blockchain, and to authorize transfers of those coins to another person's wallet, you need to use your private key. Bitcoin wallets come in various forms, each designed to meet a specific need and vary in terms of security, convenience, accessibility, and other characteristics. The question now is, how do you select a Bitcoin wallet? 2 steps must be followed when selecting the ideal Bitcoin wallet. You must first determine the type of cryptocurrency wallet you require before researching the various wallets available on the market to find the one that meets all your requirements. Some Bitcoin mobile services give built-in cryptocurrency trading and a convenient quick response, QR, code barcode scanner, among other sorts of functionality. It depends on your wallet. Full node wallets, for example, cater to decentralization and support the BTC network. It is important to ensure that the wallet you are using is compatible with the exchange rates you are storing and that it can meet your specific needs in terms of security and usability. This piece aims to provide readers with information that will assist them in acquiring, including using, Bitcoin wallets and securely storing Bitcoin. To start, 4 main types of wallets can be used for storing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Each of these wallets has its benefits, security risks, and disadvantages. How does a blockchain wallet work? Cryptographic key pairs are utilized both for sending and receiving Bitcoin transactions. A private key and a session key corresponding to it are the 2 components that make up a key pair. Bitcoin transactions require private keys, which are to be kept a secret. To receive Bitcoin, one needs to have a public key, which can be given to anyone. The generation of public keys begins with a private key from those private keys. A seed is automatically produced for you when you first create your Bitcoin wallet. Seeds can be presented in the form of a string of words by using mnemonic phrases. This seed will generate each Bitcoin key you need to send and receive Bitcoins. You'll need this seed to send and receive Bitcoins. This framework is referred to as a hierarchical deterministic, or HD, design, and it has become the industry standard for generating and managing Bitcoin keys. Most wallets will automatically generate new public keys when accepting Bitcoin as payment. Reusing a public key or address is no longer an issue, so that problem is resolved. If you use the same public key each time you receive Bitcoin, anyone with internet access could easily track down your entire payment history. A user's privacy can be significantly improved by treating keys as tokens that can only be used once. Users can always restore their wallet as long as they know their recovery seed, typically a 12 or 24-word list that is initialized with their wallet. If the user loses their recovery seed, they cannot restore their wallet. So, how much does it cost to purchase a Bitcoin wallet? If all you plan to do with the wallet is store Bitcoin in it, then using a Bitcoin wallet won't cost you anything. When you try to carry out a transaction, the proprietor of the cryptocurrency exchange or the device that stores your wallet will charge you various fees. These fees will vary according to the nature of the transaction you wish to carry out. There is no set price for a wallet. Prices can range from $0 to over $200. If you use a wallet as part of an exchange, you will most likely be required to pay a fee that is either a flat rate of a few dollars or a percentage of the total value of the transaction. The flat rate fee is usually smaller, and transactions are priced much more when charged based on a percentage. This is where you refer to the type of transaction you wish to carry out and the fee you are willing to pay. If you accept Bitcoin as payment, your wallet will most likely incur a transaction fee. This fee aims to increase the number of Bitcoins generated and distributed by the blockchain. How to set up and add money to the blockchain wallet. Installing a free software wallet client or app is the first step in creating a software wallet for Bitcoin. For instance, desktop software wallets can be downloaded from their respective websites, and installation can be accomplished by following the on-screen instructions. In addition, you can start setting up your Bitcoin web wallet by creating an account with Coinbase. On the other hand, if you want to avoid handing over control of your Bitcoin wallet to a third party, you should purchase a hardware wallet directly from the company that makes it. Because each wallet is its entity, the instructions provided by the manufacturer must be followed to configure it properly. You cannot convert Bitcoin into fiat currency at any time. However, you can sell your BTC on the blockchain in exchange for the fiat currency of your choice. You can quickly convert the value of your Bitcoin into fiat currency by using a cryptocurrency exchange, which can manage the transaction on your behalf and find a buyer for you. The constraints and timeframes for moving your fiat currency to your bank account vary by wallet. However, most transactions can be finished within 1 to 3 days after the Bitcoin sale is finalized. Once you have successfully moved your Bitcoin funds to a fiat currency, it is time to move them to a bank account. You will need to visit your bank branch personally, and you'll also need to provide the cashier with a piece of government identification, such as a passport. You will then be asked to submit an internet banking form to transfer money from your Bitcoin account. Blockchain wallet fees. However, it is essential to be aware that the blockchain wallet implements a process called dynamic fees. The fee assessed for each transaction may vary depending on several factors. The fee amount is subject to significant variation not only based on the size of the transaction but also on the state of the network at the time of the transaction. The high-powered computers known as miners can only process a finite number of transactions within a block. It is common for miners to prioritize the processing of transactions with the highest fees first because doing so is financially beneficial. Blockchain Wallet provides an option to pay a priority fee, which speeds up the processing time of a transaction to within an hour, on average. There is also a lower regular fee, but the transaction will probably take longer than an hour if you choose to go with it. The customer can also choose their pricing structure for the fees. On the other hand, if the customer sets the fee at a low amount, the transfer or transaction might be delayed or even rejected. Types of Bitcoin wallets. Mobile wallets. Mobile wallets are apps that can be downloaded to your mobile device. Once installed, the wallet will allow users to access their Bitcoin funds anywhere in the world. Mobile wallets do not store the user's private keys, so there is a greater risk if the device is damaged or lost. Mobile wallets typically provide basic security and privacy levels, designed with simplified payment verification, SPV. Desktop wallets. Desktop wallets are software programs that store users' private keys on their desktop computers or laptop. This software can be downloaded for free from the official website of the wallet provider. Desktop wallets typically provide significant levels of security and privacy, as a user's private keys are stored on their hard drive and not on a third-party server. This type of wallet is high risk because the computer can become infected with malicious software. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store the user's private keys offline. These devices are designed to be as safe as possible to protect against potential threats. Hardware wallets use an OTP, one-time password, generator, which is typically built into the device. When a user attempts to make a transaction, they are required to input their OTP. This ensures that there is no way that an attacker can steal the user's private keys and steal their funds from another location. Web wallets. Web wallets are websites that store the user's private keys online. Since a third party hosts them, there is a risk that the third party could become compromised, resulting in the theft of user funds. Web wallets also typically provide very limited levels of security and privacy, as hackers and other malicious online entities target them. Paper wallets. A paper wallet contains the user's private keys. These wallets are one of the most secure types of storage for Bitcoin, but they do not typically provide any privacy unless the user takes extreme measures. The reason that paper wallets are so secure is that they are not connected to the internet. If you have a paper wallet, you should never connect it to any computer or device connected to the internet. Not only does this help prevent theft or malware infections, but it also prevents your computer from becoming corrupted and losing your funds if it crashes. Conclusion. The most important thing to remember is that Bitcoin is not a bank, and it does not offer the same level of protection that traditional bank accounts are designed to provide. However, if you keep your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency separate from your money and secure, you will be fine. This is why it is recommended that you use a secure wallet along with a secure vault account.